We here at Limited Edition really like Siege. Clearly. We like to think we're pretty good at it.
Using a fire.
You can't shoot it, yeah.
Ah, damn it! Oh no, I suck. Ah, potato. Too late. Fuck it. Oh.
Today what we have for you guys is a Rainbow Six Siege PC case. It's the exact same case as what Reese has covered the other day, but this time it's a World of Warcraft and Siege. It's very unique. It comes with a little puck. The puck is a breaching charge, and the back of the case itself seems to be a wooden barricade. Let's crack it open and have a look, shall we? The unboxing itself. Unlike Reese, I'm actually smart. I'm going to crack the bottom open instead of fiddling around. It's a sideways case this time. Please don't fail like Reese. Ah, what? Woo. As you can see, looking at the back, we have the very nice breaching charge. It's actually really well thought out because the little vents actually match the little yellow, the yellow part of the barricade itself, and it's printed on in very high quality. I can see all these little tiny pieces, like on the wood over here. It's actually pretty cool. You don't even see that much detail in the game itself. Let's look at the front. I love the little yellow strip. It's very unique. You don't actually see it anywhere else. And the bottom is modeled after Adrian War, and it has the little Siege logo on it. Very nice looking. Let's open up the case itself, see what else we find. As you can see, the glass panel, the Siege logo is actually imprinted onto the glass itself, so you can technically swap it for a different one from another case. Don't know why you would do that, but you can. Inside the case itself. This one over here, the interesting thing here is that you can actually see a H510 Siege Limited Edition. It tells you what unit you actually got after 500. In my case, I've seem to have gotten the 124th unit available, so pretty early. Let's open the back panel anyway. Twist this to little thumb screws. Let's see what else comes with it anyway. And we got this little box with zip ties at the bottom. Let's just get it out. The part that every Siege player wanted, and I totally want. The breaching charge arc. It is the coolest thing ever. This is the reason why I got this case, because it has this. If you don't know what a puck is, literally it's a piece of metal. Should stick to the front of the case. Then you hang your headphones off, and look how cool that is! You can't get this anywhere else, guys. I wish they sold these separately so I can get one from my previous case, but that's really cool. It has all the little wiring for the breaching charge and everything like that. That's actually like physical, it's not printed on. It's actually a physical strip that's on there. All these ones are printed on there, like the hand press for the breaching charge itself. I don't know how breaching charge works, but hey, very nice detail on there. Let's look at the back. You should have standard 2 SSD mounts over here, all your front panels over here, and of course the instruction guide. I hope they included something special for me, but oh yes! I forgot about this, or rather I didn't know about it. It comes, you're gonna be joking. It's a charm for the front panel. It has this little suction cup on it, so you stick it onto the glass panel itself, so it hangs out like a charm. That is really cool, good little detail. For those of you that don't play Siege, these little charms actually attach to your gun in game, and they're like little collectibles that we have. It can be a chibi of an operator, it can be a rice bowl, it could be anything you want. But in this case, it's just a little 6 icon on there. I was hoping that it will give me a code to retrieve the charm again, but it doesn't seem to be the case, which is kind of unfortunate. Let's put it back together and we'll show you what it looks like with the puck and the charm on it. What else do you have in there? Standard instructions, how to actually use the PC codes. You're getting this without knowing how to build a PC. Please consult someone who knows how to use a PC. Build a PC. That port. The using charge on the front. Apparently the front lights up. I wasn't even aware of that. The release told me 10 seconds ago. This whole bit lights up. Thanks for watching today's video, guys. We had the limited edition Rainbow Six Siege case for you today. It was a little bit pricey at $420 for what effectively is just a shell of a PC, but in my opinion it's worth every single penny. If you liked today's video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I've been Adrian and this is limited edition.